Are you running an electrician business and looking for a content writer, copywriter who will help you in writing the catchy headline, description, and ad copy for your Google advertisement? So after watching this video, you don't need to hire anybody, any person, because this thing will gonna automate this. But if you are looking for a digital marketing services or Google advertisement services who will manage your leads and campaigns and all of these things, so you can definitely reach out to me. You can check my portfolio as well in the description below. So let's get to the system and we'll see how you can automate your content writing things, and especially headline, description, and ad copies. So let's get into the system. Alright, so we are in a system now and we will see how we can generate a quality and copywriting filtered headline for our electrician business. So we are right now, we are ChatGPT tool, and this is in the second tab. Like I have already opened the playground OpenAI, which will not use, we will discuss it another video, how you can utilize this tool, especially for your electrician business or any other local business. So we'll see, like use the ChatGPT and generate a couple of headlines and ad copies, description as well. So like we will type here generate headline and highly converting description ad copy descriptions for Google Ads for electricians. Okay, so now we'll see like what we get exactly, what kind of headline and ad copy we will get. Okay, so number first, need an electrician? Look no further, book your appointment today. Definitely this option is the must. Like I've experienced a highly maximum conversions on this tagline especially. So expert electricians at your service, but this the tool only provides us the headlines but no description. So let's guide him once again and we'll see like what we get. So please share headlines with the descriptions also, but make sure it must be convertible. Conversion perspective. Okay, so we will see like now. Okay, let's wait a moment. So this tutorial will really help you a lot, especially if you are looking for a blogs content related to your local business, or especially electrician or anything related to local business, for your website, for your social media. Like here did not provide us. Let's once try again. Please share the ad copy description as well. I think now it should be okay. So yes, we are now getting ad XYZ electrician. Obviously you don't know the description, so add, see, like we are getting a 5 descriptions, different kind of description related to the above headlines we get, because we just ask him like please share the ad copy descriptions as well. So he's just sharing the description as well. So let's like wrap up this video here, because you are really getting multiple variations, multiple copyrighted filters, ad copies, headlines, and all the data content related to you. You need whatever you can get, and even if you need for example 200 limit of words, so you can just type here and let him know like how many words you exactly need content. So let's wrap up this video here, and if you like this video, definitely so please do subscribe this channel and make sure click the bell icon button so you will get notified whenever my videos comes or uploaded in my YouTube channel. So if you're looking for a Google advertisement services, so please do check out my description below, the portfolio. Reach out to me anything related to services if you're looking for Google advertisement, especially for local business. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.